welcome back to our channel. As you can see in the title, today we will be getting this hair straight. You see all of this, just, whew, Jesus. We need some something, because this, yeah, it's limp, it's just, whew, we need to get it together. So we're gonna get this hair together. Let's keep doing that. So today I will be using this that I got from the hair store in my town. You can see the price that was on it. I've done a clay mask on her once. That I made myself with bentonite clay.
I can barely smell it.
And it did, you know, a little something, I guess, I don't know. So, but the direction says for this, it's ingredients. On dry hair, before shampooing, apply the mask, section by section, making sure cover the head, full head, leave on for 10 minutes to absorb excess oil and impurities, rinse thoroughly, and follow with clay and charcoal shampoo and conditioner. So, I ain't following up with day stuff because I didn't buy it. But we're going to go ahead and get this started. I'm going to put a little section on first and then speed through the rest, because she's in here watching TV, Disney Channel, something another. And last time I uploaded a video, she was watching that. I got a little thing to my email, so we're not going to do that no more. So, yeah. All right. Okay. All right. So, is it put on dry hair? So that's what I'm gonna do. Her hair needs to be detangled, but you know, I ain't for detangling no dry hair. That's not what we do in this household, okay? So I'm not taking that much, but I guess it is a lot. If I keep taking a little bit, it adds up to a lot. So, that's weird. It actually has a little slip in it. I wonder if the first ingredient is water. Oh. Okay. All right, so ingredients: water, glycerin, cereal alcohol, sunflower seed oil, bentonite, aluminum starch, blah, blah, blah. If I remember, I will leave all the ingredients down below in the description box. If I don't remember, I will leave a link to the product so you can actually see what the ingredients are and all that good stuff. But yeah, it's sure giving me some slip. Shoot, I could probably detangle with this, but I'm not about to right now. So I put it on the first section. Yeah, need to detangle. Definitely need to detangle. I don't have my shears on me at the moment. I need something to bring to me. So, but I'm trying to like cut down on time on these videos, make them short as possible. But y'all saw what her hair was looking like before I put this on her head. I'm gonna put it on her scalp too, because if it's a clay mask, it's supposed to like get all the impurities and stuff out. So I'm gonna put some on her scalp. You know, get that all nice and good. Okay, so I'm done. My air's on just in case you hear it. I used quite a bit. Oh my goodness, I used like all except for a fourth of this jar on her head. So it says to let it sit for 10 minutes. So that's what we're gonna do. Echo, set a timer for 10 minutes. Then I'm gonna wash it out. I'm gonna let you all see what it looks like after I wash it out by itself before I shampoo it. So yeah, be back. All right, so I'm about to wash out the clay mask. Then I'm going to follow up with shampoos. And the shampoos I will be using are Curls, Care Bath, Cashmere Caviar. And then I'll be using this one. And as her conditioner, I'll be using this. Alright. So, alright. Let's go and rinse this out. This is what it looked like with the clay mask all rinsed out. I'm not sure if it actually did anything. Well, it's springing back, so I guess it did something. All right, so. Alright, this is the final look, what her hair is looking like after that clay mask, after I washed and conditioned. So, yeah. This is what we looking like. I think she needs a trim. Like, really needs a trim. Yeah. So, I just want to thank you for watching this video. You know what? It's a lie. I like it, I guess, for the most part. I mean, I don't see what it did, but I mean, it was okay. I used a lot of it, so, yeah. So, as I was about to say, thank you for watching this video. Pick up the Cream of Nature Clay and Charcoal Pre-Shampoo Detoxifying Clay Mask for yourself. And try it and let me know what you think. Or if you've already tried it and you got some thoughts on it, leave a comment down below. I may or may not read it. It's alright though. Again, thank you for watching. Catch you on the next one. We out.